make it look cute. Oh my god, I put too much on. I put too much. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and if you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Dominique and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to do something a little bit more fun. I wanted to switch on my content and do some challenges. So in today's video I am going to be doing my makeup, my full face of makeup in just 10 minutes, and I am not even going to edit the footage. I am literally just going to leave it as the full 10 minutes so you can see what I get up to in those 10 minutes. I asked you guys on Instagram what videos you wanted to see and someone kindly requested this video, so that is what we're going to be doing today. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Guys, I don't know why, but I am actually really like nervous. Like, I don't actually know how long it takes me to do makeup because I kind of just do it and then it's kind of over with and done. So I'm a bit like, oh my god, like how long is this going to take me and stuff like that. So I'm going to do more of a glam version. I'm going to do my full base, and I'm going to do and try and do an actual eye look. I'm not just going to put on some lashes and just like leave it as that. I'm actually going to try and do full on eyeshadow with lashes and a lip. So I'm hoping this turns out right. I'm praying it does. I'm actually really nervous. But before we start, make sure you hit that like button and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. 80% of you guys have not even subscribed, but you're watching my videos. I see you, you know, I see you, so you might as well hit that subscribe button. It is for free. And anyways, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I'm getting the timer up on my phone. I'll place a timer on the screen so it's easy for you guys to follow along, and I'm gonna start. I feel like out of breath already. Like, brows, foundation, concealer, bronze, blush, powder, eyes, lips in 10 minutes, like a full glam. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so, oh my god, my phone is so dirty. Okay, 3. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I'm trying to see where all the products are so I can just reach for them. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. I'm stressed. All right. Okay. I can't stop saying okay. Right. We're gonna start with the brows. Luckily, I just use a brow gel or brow soap, so this won't take me too long, hopefully. Oh my god, oh my gosh. Okay, whilst that dries, we're gonna go in with, oh my god, foundation. Okay, this is the Huda Beauty one. I'm just whacking it on my face. I don't have time to put lids back on. Ah! Okay, sponge. Oh my god, okay. I can't stop saying okay. Bro, a minute's gone. An actual minute has gone. I'm actually out of breath. Okay. Okay. Foundation. Done. Concealer. This is the Laura Mercier one. Oh my god, I'm actually like sweating. Okay, whilst that dries, comb through the brows. Okay, this isn't too bad. Right, contour. Fenty matchsticks. I'm using the shade Truffle. Come on. I need someone to like motivate me, like on the sidelines, like yeah. Okay, and then we're gonna blend. I actually underestimated this challenge, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're not gonna get a full eye look done. I just know it. I don't know what to say. Oh my god. I'm like proper beating my face up right now with this sponge. Okay, contour. No, I need a brush. I need a brush. Contour, contour. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hopefully we actually get a nice look out of this, because I want to take some nice pictures, but I ain't too sure about that. Okay, oh my god, my time's gone off. Okay, 7 minutes, okay. How's it been 2 minutes already? Oh my gosh. Blush, we need some blush. Come on, milk stick. Make this look nice. I should have taken the lids off everything. I haven't even taken the lids off everything. Okay, powder time. For some reason, I thought this would be a good time to test out a new powder. It's from the brand, I'll tell you at the end. It's from a brand I haven't tried it before. For some reason, I thought it would be a good idea to try it now. Obviously, not a very good idea. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm actually sweating. Makeup is supposed to be relaxing. This is not relaxing at all. Okay, this isn't looking too bad, you know. How long have we got left? Okay, 6 minutes. 6 minutes. It took me a minute to do that. Ooh. Okay. Okay, eye base. Revolution eye base. Oh, you know what? I should have put the glue on my lashes already. I should have been prepared. I wasn't prepared. Okay. Blend all of this in. We're gonna do something hella simple for the eyes. I'm sorry guys, I hyped it up like we're gonna do something. Oh my god, I dropped a sponge. I hyped it up like we're gonna do something really cool. I might have lied. Okay. Why is everything in the packaging? Okay, Colourpop Palette. What colour? Okay, we're gonna take this red colour. Put it right here. Guys, I don't even know. Okay, we're gonna try and make this look cute. I'm so sorry if my mirror is blocking the camera right now. This is just a really intense moment. Like I said, I've never actually timed how long it takes to do my makeup, so it'd be kind of interesting just to see how much I get done in literally like 10 minutes. Because I've never done like a... I just forgot, I can't even edit out all of like the things I say wrong, so... And I do that a lot, guys. Like, I feel like I just can't speak half the time. So do ignore that. Right, we need a flat brush, we need some shimmer. Oh my god, that's a gorgeous shimmer. Ah! If I didn't have nails, I'd be able to just get my finger in there and just put it on, but... We cannot. How long? 4 minutes? Oh my god, are you joking? Are you actually joking? My lashes won't dry that quick. Oh, I should have prepped my lashes, guys. Why did no one tell me? Okay, right, okay. Doesn't matter, forget the lashes. I'm gonna go in with this gold shade. I don't even know if this looks nice together. It looks alright, it'll do. It'll do, donkey. That'll do. Okay, we need to blend. Oh my god, I feel so frantic. Okay, under the eye. At least get some like mascara on or something. Okay, I feel like I'm not even doing too bad. How long? 3 minutes? Oh my gosh. Okay, forget about the eyes for a minute. Right, we're gonna go into blush, powder blush. We need a blush brush. I can't even open it. Okay. Blush. Make it look cute. Oh my god, I put too much on. I put too much blush on. This is not the time. Blush. Right, you know what? Where the hell is my tweezers. These are new lashes as well. I don't want to mess them up. I know I will. Lash glue. Lash glue. Oh my god, it's stuck. Oh wait, actually no, it's okay. Lash glue. Right on there. Oh, this is taking way too long. Oh, come on. Oh, you know what I should do? Okay. Clever thinking. We're gonna put it right on here. Okay. You seeing the vision? Right here, okay. Other eye. Oh my god. Okay, right. I'm literally like jittering. Okay, let's just do lips. Okay, lips. Oh, my pencil's short. Lips. How long? Oh my god, we've got like a minute and a half, guys. Okay, that'll do. Oh my god, guys, I didn't unbox it. I haven't even tried this to see if it looks nice, but I'm gonna just go with it. Okay, we need mascara. Oh my god, I should have. Oh my god, we've got a minute. Okay. Mascara, don't fail me now. Okay. Right, we're almost there, guys. We're actually almost there. It's just the lashes that's gonna fail me. I can see it. 30 seconds. Oh my god. Okay, lash was on. I'm sorry, I'm just making loud noises right now. 17. Okay. Oh! Time's up. You know what? I'm kind of proud of myself. Like, looking at this makeup right now, it's not even that bad. So I managed to get brows on, foundation, concealer, contour, blush, powder, eyes, lashes, mascara, more blush, powder, lip liner, and lipstick. The only thing is, like, on this lash, it is like hella lifted. But you know what? I'm really proud of myself. I actually can't believe I did all of this in 10 minutes and it actually looks good. I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit closer. So this is what it looks like zoomed in. You know what? It's not even that bad. Like, I actually managed to do an actual eyeshadow look as well and get on lashes. Like, give me some extra brownie points for that because I did amazing. This lash is like slightly lifting, which is like really annoying, but overall I feel like my skin looks really nice as well. The blush looks nice. Blush covers everything and makes your skin look really nice, so you know, but it's not even that bad. Luckily, like, I usually don't even put that much brow stuff on my brows, so I could literally just put some brow gel on and like go, but it's not even bad. I'm actually really hyped right now. Like, I actually can't believe that this look doesn't even look that bad. Next time, I will make sure I have my lashes glued already and everything out of the packaging. For some reason, half the stuff was still in the packaging, and for some reason, I decided to try out a new product when I did this. The new product that I was trying out is a powder from Ruba Beauty. They kindly sent it me. And for some reason I thought, yeah man, let's just try it out. The colour's really nice, but I need like a lighter one to put underneath my eyes just to give me that brightening effect. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Do you think I did a good job? Do you think this makeup looks trash? Like, you can tell me, I won't be offended. But yeah, so that is today's video. I'm going to show you the final finished look right now. So thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm definitely planning to do more challenge looks just because they're super fun, and I had so much fun recording and doing this, so I'll definitely do some more. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and let me know in the comments what video you guys would like me to do next. Like I said, my current schedule is Wednesday will be like a fun video, and then on Sunday it's going to be my weekly vlog, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't already watched my previous vlog, make sure you check it out. It was my first vlog ever and I had so much fun filming it, so I decided I'm going to do it like every single week. So that is it guys, thank you so much for watching, stay safe and have a wonderful day.